Hey, what's going on? Dan Bradley here, and welcome inside my Goodwill review. Now, throughout this review, I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly what Goodwill is all about. We're going to be talking about what is this package that Brendan Mason and Jonah Armstrong have put together, and why is it called Goodwill. So stick around. I'm going to go through exactly what this system is all around. We're going to go through the membership area, talk about the pros and the cons, and ultimately look at whether or not this is something that you should consider investing your time and your money in picking up. Now, of course, we're going to be talking about some of the upgrades. There's going to be a number of those that are going to be made available to you should you decide to pick Goodwill up. But first and foremost, I want to dive in and talk about bonuses. Now, normally I do bonuses at the end of a video. If you've seen videos of mine before, you usually talk about the product first, bonuses second. But I know that there's going to be a lot of people offering you bonuses for this. So I want to really cover off bonuses because I've put together a custom bonus package which I know is actually going to help. So rather than you waste your time and your money looking at other bonuses, I want to show you what is going to be the best bonuses available, period. So first of all, you'll see this information down below the link, down below this YouTube video. But if you scroll down here, you can watch this funny little video here of Brendan and his girlfriend. I think they're in Canada at this particular moment in time, and you can see them basically trying to sell cookies for $1 and obviously having no takers, and of course how many people came to pick up free cookies. Alright, so anyway, let's just jump into these bonuses first and foremost, and then I'm going to talk to you, kind of just jump back a little bit and talk about the actual product. Now, in terms of bonuses, bonus number one that I'm giving you is I'm actually going to allow you to put your affiliate link inside of my membership area on a rotator for the next 3 months. Now, this is going to allow you to basically take traffic from me and make money yourself. Now, just to kind of show you how this works, every product that I sell, so this was Funnel Joy, a product that went for sale maybe 2-3 weeks ago. Okay, so we've had a couple of hundred people now coming through onto this page. For every single page of these that I create, which is for every product that I promote, for the next 3 months, okay, I'm going to be adding this link here. So this is a webinar invite for John Crestani's. It's a high-ticket program. It's a really great program, and it has some great conversions. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add your link into here on a rotator. Okay, so it will rotate round. It will send one to you, send one to someone else, somewhere else. All the people that are going to be on that rotator, and this is only going to be available for people who picked up Goodwill through the link down below this YouTube video. That is it. I've never offered this bonus before, and I probably will never offer it again because this is going to cost me thousands in commissions, okay? I'm going to lose a lot of money by doing this, but I really want you guys to get some great success. So I've decided I'm going to change this button here. I'm going to put this into my as a link rotator. I'm going to add your links into that. And then when people come through to these pages, and of course people come through to get their bonuses, okay, so this one had some video bonuses as well that we did here, so you've got seven bonuses here that are all in there that we did. But of course, when they come in this video, watch this video here as well, they click on that link and that goes through to a ClickBank offer. It's a webinar, and then when they buy, the commission on it is $400, which means every single person who buys through my link, you're going to get paid $400 for it, which is pretty cool. All right, so that's the first thing I'm going to do. No one else, I don't see any other affiliate doing this for you guys, but I want you to pick up Goodwill, and I want you to basically get the best value out of it, and that means getting some high ticket sales. Okay, this is one of the ways that, you know, us marketers that are doing this full time really make a big chunk of our money, is doing stuff on the back end, and you are going to be able to get your link in here on a rotator for the next 3 months. Okay, now in terms of real world value of this, obviously some people are probably going to pick up no sales and some people are going to pick up a lot of sales. It's just kind of how it works. But the rotator is just going to split them out evenly, and then it depends if that actual person buys, right? But I mean, this could be anything up to $5,000 or $6,000 in bonus value, real world value in cash that you're going to receive. All right, so that's bonus number one. Now, if that's not enough to get you to do this, then let me tell you I've got some other bonuses as well for you. Bonus number two is 25 ways to drive traffic to that Goodwill freebie. Now, We're going to look at Goodwill and see what training they give us, and you'll also see that they also give us access to the Aurora app if you haven't already picked that up. So that's the auto following app, okay, which mainly deals with Pinterest traffic and Instagram. All right. So, but what I'm going back to is basics. I'm going back to actually what we're doing, what we're using, which is, a number of different ways to drive traffic into lots of different offers. Now, this is going to work for freebies. This is going to work for your Goodwill product, your freebie, because that's what Goodwill is, right? You're going to give something away for free and then make sales on the back end, okay? That's the crux of what you're going to be doing. So you've got over 3 hours. This is a 3+ hour masterclass, and we're going to show you 25 different traffic methods that you can use. So you can go through that at your own pace. You can skip through different bits if you want to. Videos are all there. They're in the membership area. You'll get access to a membership area like this through the link in Warrior Plus, and you're going to be able to add them in there as well, so you can take a look at that. Bonus number 3 is my #1 traffic source for Goodwill and how to set it up to get buyers. Obviously, I've been having a play with Goodwill now for a little while, and I found one particular traffic source constantly outperformed the others. Not necessarily in the number of clicks that I got. Okay, the clicks were actually a little bit lower than some other traffic sources, but in terms of the number of those clicks that converted into paid sales, it was miles away. Okay, and that is what this is all about, guys, right? Because obviously, as cool as it is to to give the Goodwill, to give something away for free, I'm guessing you kind of want to make money, right? That's what we're here for. That's what we're doing. We want to make some cash. So it's about getting in that particular traffic source, setting it up perfectly, and attracting those buyers, attracting the people who have money and are ready to spend. So that's going to be bonus number 3 there for you as well, which is pretty awesome. Bonus number 4, we are going to 10x your results in 20 minutes. So what we're going to do, we're going to put 20 minutes on the clock. We're going to have a live training call, and I'm going to show you in 20 minutes flat how you can make your own Goodwill funnel. That means I'm going to create the Goodwill product. I'm going to create that freebie to give away and hook us up into some paid things that we can do so that you guys can see how to quickly and easily create that Goodwill funnel. Now, I will also be giving that to give away for you, okay? It's all going to be created inside of Convertri, and I will give that away for those of you who use Convertri or want to think about using Convertri, maybe take a trial. I will give that away to you guys as well, because we can share funnels, so I will share that funnel for you. You can simply just plug into it, make it your own, put your face on that, whatever, and use that to literally 10x your results, okay? So that's going to be really cool. I'm really pumped and excited for that. I can't wait to do that. I've already got loads of different ideas flowing in my head. And so yeah, I definitely am looking forward to doing that. So we're going to put 20 minutes on the clock, and I'm going to build you a Goodwill funnel live on the call, and you guys can get involved in that. We're going to have a lot of fun. Now that's going to go out a few days after this launch closes to give everyone a chance to get into Goodwill and to jump on that live training call. All right, so those are the bonuses, 4 custom bonuses, guys. And honestly, I will put my hat on the line here and say, those are going to be the best bonuses being offered. You've got the opportunity here to actually make thousands of dollars in commissions by placing your link into a rotator to go and sell high-ticket offers that I promote. All right, you're going to learn how to drive all the traffic. You're going to learn what my favorite traffic sources and how to set that up to attract buyers. That's what this is all about, getting those buyers. And then you're going to get access to an exclusive 20-minute live training call where I'm going to build you your very own Goodwill funnel live on that call. So that's what we've got going on there. 4 bonuses, link down below. Check it out, go and grab Goodwill. Now, let's just shoot on back and talk about what is actually in this system. Now, I'm sure every affiliate and his dog is going to be promoting this and telling you it's the best thing since sliced bread. It's not, okay? There's quite a bit of stuff, in my opinion, that this is missing, which is why I've really stacked the value on those bonuses, okay? To make sure that you get A, all the information that you need, and B, the best opportunity to make money. Now, the awesome thing about Goodwill is this is basically giving away a freebie. So if you don't like selling, maybe you're not great at selling, then this is going to work amazingly for you. Basically, how it's going to work is you're going to give people a free copy of the lost code. This was a product that Brendan and Jono came out with last year. I think it was the tail end of last year. It's a really good course. It's about making high ticket sales, and they're going to give them that away for free. Now, inside the membership area, there is a number of different upgrades. And when you sell those upgrades, of course, you're going to make the commissions on them, right? And there's 2 tiers of memberships. So there's the standard Goodwill, which is the front end product, which means you're going to get 50% on all the upgrades. And then there's the first upgrade for Goodwill, which means that they're going to up your commissions to 100%, which I definitely recommend you consider doing, bearing in mind that some of these products are $400 a sale. So the difference in that would be you'd get $200 or $400. Well, you know, it's a $200 difference just by spending, I think it's $40 here. So definitely worthwhile doing that, and we'll talk about those upgrades in just a second. Now, the membership area, of course, this is just the standard created in ClickFunnels type membership area. You've got an introduction video here from Jono, obviously to go and get approved to promote the Goodwill freebie. You've got the traffic app here, which is the Aurora app, which probably most of you will have seen. If not, I will link up my Aurora review up on the links there. You can go and check out that software if you want to see a bit more about that software. But personally, I wouldn't recommend you buy Aurora, because if you pick up Goodwill, you're going to get Aurora for free, right? Then you've got the training, so you've got the strategy, the page, link, so basically link cloaking, how to disguise your link, which is optional. The ManyChat formula, which is chatbots. YouTube video, optional if you want to go down that route. Facebook groups, traffic suggestions, and then of course you can go and grab the upgrades in there, and there's some extra bonuses as well just down in here. Now that's all you get in there, not a huge amount of stuff, but when you go through the training, follow what they're teaching, get access to give away this freebie, then the lost code is definitely going to convert for you. It converted for me when I promoted it way back, and definitely when you grab those bonuses, so when we talk about the bonuses here that we're going to get, all right, that extra in the membership area, and we're going to show you how to actually build your own Goodwill funnel, okay? This means that you're going to be able to take the training from here, we're going to build the funnel live in 20 minutes on a call, and you're going to be able to just basically rinse and repeat this for any particular niche, okay? So what you could do is you could literally give away something for free, some sort of free report type thing that you're going to get, drive people into a content area, have lots of different content, put lots of YouTube videos together, or any of that type of stuff, right? Get lots of content together, and then link people out to paid places. So either ClickBank offers, Amazon affiliate offers, loads of different places there, and loads of different ways that you can make money. Now, everything you see here, guys, this is $12.95, okay? And this is basically the freebie. This is going to be the freebie to give away. Upgrade number 1 is $47, so you're going to make every single dollar generated goes directly into your account. So as I said, it's going to take you up from a 50% commissions to 100% commissions. Now, if we just go into here, actually, let me just go get approved. Let me just open up this one. Sorry, oh, it's much wants to open it in the same window, that's why. That's a bit lame, but okay, whatever. Right, so here it is. This is the lost code Goodwill one to give away. And I just want to show you the prices of some of this stuff, okay? Now, this one here, this Elite Insiders Club, is $397. And that would earn you $198.50 in commission here on the 50%, right? Now, of course, if you pick up the upgrade, that would go to 100% and you'd earn $397. Actually, just a little bit lower because the Warrior Plus fees have to come off. You'd earn probably about $385, I would say, $385, $387. So, again, that's a really awesome opportunity there as well, and that's definitely one of the reasons why I would pick up this first upgrade, because just by making one sale at any point in time further down the line, by having that 100% commissions, you're going to make this money back. Now, if you think you can make one sale in this system without selling anything, right? And how many people do you think, how much traffic do you think you could send into something for free? Lots. Lots of people are going to go in and get free things. And then because you've given them that goodwill, you've given them something for free, a lot of them are therefore going to choose to buy an upgrade. There is also this upgrade here as well, okay, which is one-on-one coaching. It's $2,000 and you're going to earn $998 on it, 50%. That's $1,000 a sale. Now, if you, of course, take that upgrade, you're actually going to earn $2,000 on that. Okay, you're going to earn the best part of $2,000. So for 47, which screen am I? There we are. For $47, 100% no-brainer. Grab that upgrade, because I'm telling you now, if you don't grab that upgrade, when you finally see that the sales come in, they will come in for you. They might come in a couple of hours, a couple of days, or even a couple of weeks until people actually buy. Right? It's a long-term business. Right? It's a long-term vision. This type of stuff. But I promise you, when you see that sale come in, you will kick yourself for not buying that upgrade, because you'll say, "Oh, I've just lost $100, $200, or maybe even $1,000 because you didn't spend $47. All right, so definitely grab that upgrade number one. Upgrade number two then is the back end. This is going to allow you to make instant $1,000 commissions. So we're going to give you access to their back end system. You can plug that in, make extra commissions as well. That's $200. $397 done with you. They're going to help you set everything up for you. Okay, so if you don't want to be alone, you can have Jonah and Brendan doing that for you. $397. Upgrade number 4, yeah guys, I really don't recommend upgrade number 4. Okay, there's a few legal issues for me on this one. Basically, you can put a tracking pixel on their pages and siphon off their traffic, but I don't like that. But have a look at it if you wish. And then upgrade number 5 is the license rights to sell Goodwill as your own product. Now, what you need to do is go through to this page here, my Goodwill review. Click on this page here that says Get Goodwill and all custom bonuses, and that will fire you over to this page here. This is the sales page for Goodwill, where you're going to be able to watch a video in depth, get a little bit more information about the product, and you can go ahead and pick this up right now. Now, when you do pick up Goodwill, those bonuses that we talked about, okay, these awesome bonuses will be sitting and waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus. Go ahead, grab them. Get ready for that live call. We're going to put 20 minutes on the clock. We're going to do this. You guys are going to get some results from this. Don't forget as well, you're going to need to send me your affiliate link, and I will be talking to you and showing you guys how to get that all set up, to get the affiliate links, to add to my rotator, so I can start sending you guys some traffic. So, thanks ever so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. This has been my Goodwill review. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell if you're not already in, and I will see you on the inside of that bonus membership area. All the best, Bradley out.